Welcome back, children, in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Unit 2, Man's Relationship with Animals. In the last session, we have already discussed Activity 5, 6 and 7. Now today, we will discuss Activity 8, 9 and 10. First of all, Activity 8. Write underlined sentences from the passage in a different way as suggested below. Rule 1. When one thing or person is compared with another thing or person. Dear students, if you remember, then this activity we have discussed in Unit 1, Activity 9, like heavy, heavier, dark, darker, broad, broader. This activity is same as first, interchange the places of the things or persons compared. In this, we have to interchange the places of the things. The things we can interchange or persons we can interchange, which is compared. Second, change the affirmative verb to negative and negative verb to affirmative. In this, affirmative if it is there, then to negative, and negative verb it is there, then affirmative. That means positive, negative, negative, positive. Third, change from as dash as or so dash as means positive degree to er then, that is comparative degree. These three rules we will apply in the following sentences. First, Ramesh is as tall as Radha. Now Ramesh will be interchange with Radha. So Radha is not taller than Ramesh. So Radha, Ramesh, both names are interchanged. Then as tall as, that converted into negative, and as tall as became taller than. Okay, so these three changes we found. Second, Hitesh was as strong as Hiran. So now Hitesh and Hiran both will be interchanged. Hiran and Hitesh. Hiran was not stronger than Hitesh. So Hitesh, Hiran, Hiran, Hitesh. As strong as, then stronger than. Then was as strong as. Here was not stronger than. So negative, positive, positive, negative. Third sentence, you are as intelligent as your brother. Answer is, your brother is not more intelligent than you. So you are exchanged with your brother. As intelligent as, not more intelligent than you. That changes are there, positive, negative. Then fourth sentence, a donkey is not so clever as a horse. So a donkey will be interchanged with a horse. Then so clever as, then cleverer than, and is not so clever, then is cleverer. A donkey is not so clever as a horse, then a horse is cleverer than a donkey. These sentences are given for our understanding. Now let us use this rule in activity number 9. Activity 9. Rewrite the following sentences as directed. First one, energy put into reclamation is often higher than the energy released in the product. Rewrite using high. High, that means so high as we can use. The answer is energy released in the product is often not so high as energy put into reclamation. Second, she looked as new as a peeled egg. Rewrite using newer. Here as new as we have to change with newer. Answer is a peeled egg did not look newer than she. That is the answer. Third one, it is a task as difficult as walking on a razor's edge. Rewrite using more difficult instead of difficult. As difficult as we have to use more difficult. The answer is walking on a razor's edge is not more difficult than the task. Fourth one, the shame lies not so much in going to jail as in committing the offense. We have to change this degree. Answer is the shame lies more in committing the offense than in going to jail. Fifth one, the human animal had more intelligent and better weapons than his cousins. Use intelligence and good and rewrite the sentence. So here, instead of more intelligent, we have to use as much intelligent as, and instead of better, we have to use as good as. So the answer is the cousins of human had not as much as intelligent and good weapons as the human animal had. I repeat, the cousins of human had not as much intelligence and as good weapons as the human animal had. Sixth one, this is a much surer method than using saliva. Change the degree. The answer is using saliva is not so sure method as this. It is not so sure method as this. The answer is. Now the last seventh one. We know a bit more than the ladies do. Change the degree. The answer is the ladies do not know as much as we do. The ladies do not know as much as we do. I have given these answers in written form also. You can see and note down these answers. Now, activity number 10. Write a paragraph on the following in about 150 words. How should animals be treated? Here points are also given. You have to use the points and write this composition. The points are as follow. Uselessness of animals to mankind. How they are usually treated. Suffering of the animals. Change in our attitude and treatment towards animals. So these points are given. You can use these points and write this composition. This composition I have also given in written form. You can see and write down. So here is the end of Unit 2, Man's Relationship with Animals. Next time we shall meet with same zeal and enthusiasm for Unit 3. So thank you very much, dear students.